Welcome to Heavy Vehicle Quiz, Part 4. Questions 151 to 200. Listen carefully and choose the correct answer. Question 151. As a heavy vehicle driver, why should you carry out daily inspections of your vehicle before driving it? Option A. This is required as part of the training. Option B. This is a requirement by your employer. Option C. This is for personal safety and safety of others. The correct answer is C. This is for personal safety and safety of others. Question 152. One important consideration when conducting your pre-trip inspection is Option A, load security. Option B, security gate pass. Option C, load is not illegal. The correct answer is A, load security. Question 153. As you will be driving through low bridges, what should you check? Option A, load security. Option B, load height. Option C, vehicle damage. The correct answer is B, load height. Question 154. If we are checking the wheel nuts, what should we be ensuring? Option A. That most of the wheel nuts are intact. Option B. That not a single wheel nut is missing. Option C. That available wheel nuts are tightly shut. The correct answer is B. That not a single wheel nut is missing. Question 155. What is the danger in leaking grease from wheel bearings and seals? Option A. It can cause fire or a wheel to lock. Option B. It can slow down the speed of the heavy vehicle. Option C. It can cause the load to tilt on one side. The correct answer is A. It can cause fire or a wheel to lock. Question 156. Excessive wear and worn tires can cause Option A, complete brake failure. Option B, wheel nuts to loosen. Option C, loss of steering control. The correct answer is C, loss of steering control. Question 157. In a 10-wheeler heavy vehicle, a problem in one of the wheels, Option A, can be ignored and continue with the trip. Option B, cannot be ignored, trip must be discontinued. Option C, will not cause problem to other wheels. The correct answer is B, cannot be ignored, trip must be discontinued. Question 158. You ensure the tank is firmly attached, caps are tight and no leaks. What system are you checking? Option A, electrical system. Option B, brake system. Option C, fuel system. The correct answer is C, fuel system. Question 159. If you are checking the fluid levels, you should check for crankcase oil, radiator coolant as well as Option A, power steering and lighter fluids. Option B, battery and windscreen washer fluids. Option C, automatic transmission and belt fluids. The correct answer is B, battery and windscreen washer fluids. Question 160. Just before leaving, you noticed a minor fluid leak under the bonnet. What is the best thing to do? Option A, call the mechanic and have the leak checked. Option B, have the leak checked once you return. Option C, top up all fluid containers to maximum level. The correct answer is A, call the mechanic and have the leak checked. Question 161. When checking the belts and pulleys, what important information should you note? Option A, make sure they are spinning firmly. Option B, make sure they are intact and not cracked. Option C, make sure no leaks can be observed. The correct answer is B, make sure they are intact and not cracked. Question 162. When checking the belts and pulleys, what important information should you note? Option A, make sure they are spinning firmly. Option B, make sure they are intact and not cracked. Option C, make sure no leaks can be observed. The correct answer is B, make sure they are intact and not cracked. Question 163. HVT/HVB theory test questions. Option A, adjusted according to your liking. Option B, compare with that of the other vehicle. Option C, check the manufacturer's handbook. The correct answer is C, check the manufacturer's handbook. Question 164. Some of the important emergency and safety equipment to be considered during pre-trip inspection are: Option A, seat belts, fully charged fire extinguishers, reflective triangles. Option B, drinking water, spare fuses, seat belts. Option C, fire extinguishers, first aid kit, battery. The correct answer is A, seat belts, fully charged fire extinguishers, reflective triangles. Question 165. The primary controls that need to be checked for proper working conditions are: Option A, accelerator, horn and dashboard lights. Option B, steering wheel, brakes, clutch and accelerator. Option C, brake lights, reflectors and steering wheel. The correct answer is B, steering wheel, brakes, clutch and accelerator. Question 166. When checking one of the primary controls, steering system, what information is important? Option A, check steering wheel for any slackness. Option B, check steering wheel for height. Option C, check steering wheel for lubrication. The correct answer is A, check steering wheel for any slackness. Question 167. How do you check if the clutch is working properly? Option A, press and feel no resistance at all. Option B, press until you feel a slight resistance. Option C, press and feel hard resistance. The correct answer is B, press until you feel a slight resistance. Question 168. When checking your heavy vehicle with air brakes, what should you check for? Option A, air intake filter is not clogged. Option B, exhaust pipe is not clogged. Option C, air escapes when brake pedal is depressed. The correct answer is A, air intake filter is not clogged. Question 169. After turning the engine on, the gauge should show steady increase in air pressure. It should take: Option A, less than 1 minute. Option B, less than 5 minutes. Option C, less than 3 minutes. The correct answer is C, less than 3 minutes. Question 170. When clearing the air intake filter of air brakes and some oil that comes out, there is possible problem with option A, engine. Option B, compressor. Option C, brake pedal. The correct answer is B, compressor. Question 171. What is the main benefit for conducting a pre-trip inspection? Option A, keeping your vehicle in good condition. Option B, keeping healthy diet. Option C, ensuring the engine is working properly. The correct answer is A, keeping your vehicle in good condition. Question 172. To check the brake of the trailer, apply trailer brakes only and try to move forward gently. The vehicle, option A, must hold for a second and then move. Option B, should not move. Option C, should move just a little. The correct answer is B, should not move. Question 173. For vehicles with hydraulic brakes, what must you do before driving the vehicle? Option A, must ensure there is no leak in the system. Option B, have a qualified mechanic check the vehicle before driving. Option C, must ensure wipers are working properly. The correct answer is A, must ensure there is no leak in the system. Question 174. At your next stop, do a quick check around the vehicle. What signs should you look for? Option A, underinflated tires and overheated brakes. Option B, underinflated tires and overheated brakes. Option C, clutch that is not biting. The correct answer is A, underinflated tires and overheated brakes. Question 175. When checking the brakes, you felt the vehicle pull to one side. What must you do to be safe? Option A, remember to hold the steering more firmly when braking. Option B, have a qualified mechanic check the vehicle before driving. Option C, pull over on the next rest stop and rest. The correct answer is B, have a qualified mechanic check the vehicle before driving. Question 176. How will you check for slack in the coupling of semi-trailer and prime mover? Option A, by pushing the trailer side to side. Option B, by making a sudden pull on the prime mover. Option C, by moving gently forward and back. The correct answer is C, by moving gently forward and back. Question 177. Before driving your heavy vehicle, always ask yourself, option A, have I checked the delivery checklist? Option B, have I carried out my pre-trip inspection? Option C, have I filled out the registration form? The correct answer is B, have I carried out my pre-trip inspection? Question 178. As you drive, what should you regularly check? Option A, make sure the battery is charged. Option B, make sure the wirings are not cracked. Option C, make sure that your load is secure. The correct answer is C. Make sure that your load is secure. Question 179. Before driving your prime mover and semi-trailer, make sure the Option A, trailer's legs are pulled up. Option B, the winding handle is not removed. Option C, the trailer lights are in place. The correct answer is A. Trailer's legs are pulled up. Question 180. Make sure the electrical leads are properly connected and working. Option A, while driving your prime mover and semi-trailer. Option B, before driving your prime mover and semi-trailer. Option C, after you arrive at your destination. The correct answer is B, before driving your prime mover and semi-trailer. Question 181. When checking for slack in the turntable connection, ensure the Option A, trailer's legs are down. Option B, the trailer brake is on. Option C, the prime mover brake is on. The correct answer is B, the trailer brake is on. Question 182. How will you check for excessive heat radiating from the brake drum? Option A, place your hand near the brake drum. Option B, touch the drum with your hands. Option C, check your temperature gauge. The correct answer is A, place your hand near the brake drum. Question 183. If you feel excessive heat radiating from the brake drum of your vehicle, it means, Option A, the clutch is not biting properly. Option B, your brakes are not working. Option C, your brakes are overheating. The correct answer is C, your brakes are overheating. Question 184. When coupling semi-trailers, what must be long enough for making tight turns? Option A, steering. Option B, brake lines. Option C, brake system. The correct answer is B, brake lines. Question 185. When inspecting and securing the semi-trailer, it is important to chalk the wheels on. Option A, front and back, both sides of the wheels. Option B, rear side, both sides of the wheels. Option C, front and back, right side of the wheels. The correct answer is A, front and back, both sides of the wheels. Question 186. How do you chalk the wheels of a semi-trailer so it does not move? Option A, place a wedge in front of the wheels. Option B, place a wedge on both front and rear sides of the wheels. Option C, place a wedge at the back of the wheels. The correct answer is B, place a wedge on both front and rear sides of the wheels. Question 187. HVT/HVB theory test questions. Option A, 1. Inspect the area and secure the semi-trailer. 2. Inspect or check coupling devices for damage. 3. Check semi-trailer height. Option B, 1. Check semi-trailer height. 2. Inspect the area and secure the semi-trailer. 3. Inspect or check coupling devices for damage. Option C, front and back. 1. Back the prime mover slowly. 2. Check the semi-trailer height. 3. Inspect or check coupling devices for damage side of the wheels. The correct answer is a 1. Inspect the area and secure the semi-trailer. 2. Inspect or check coupling devices for damage. 3. Check semi-trailer height. Question 188. If your semi-trailer is equipped with spring-loaded brakes, there is, option A, no need to check the brakes. Option B, a need to chock the wheels. Option C, no need to chock the wheels. The correct answer is C, no need to chock the wheels. Question 189. What do you check for the coupling devices before coupling your semi-trailer? Option A. Check if the turntable is visible from the mirrors. Option B. Check for damage and to see that they will fit together correctly. Option C. The turntable is connected to the brake lines. The correct answer is B. Check for damage and to see that they will fit together correctly. Question 190. Use both mirrors to line up the outside edges of the rear prime mover wheels. You also need to, option A, get out and check they are lined up accurately. Option B, stop and see both sides are clear. Option C, check your forward view clearly. The correct answer is A, get out and check they are lined up accurately. Question 191. What can happen if the prime mover is not lined up accurately with the semi-trailer? Option A. You could damage the semi-trailer, the load, or the prime mover. Option B. The prime mover will not move. Option C. The semi-trailer will not have any damage. The correct answer is A. You could damage the semi-trailer, the load, or the prime mover. Question 192. When checking semi-trailer height, what could seriously injure or kill you? Option A. If the semi-trailer does not move. Option B. If the load is not properly secured. Option C. If the landing gear collapses. The correct answer is C. If the landing gear collapses. Question 193. During coupling procedure, how do you secure the prime mover? Option A, apply the parking brake. Option B, use the foot brakes properly. Option C, switching off the engine. The correct answer is A, apply the parking brake. Question 194. When coupling trailer, ensure safety while climbing on the back of the prime mover by, option A, looking for the torch and safety shoes. Option B. Being careful of greasy and wet areas on the truck. Option C. Using only the best quality boots. The correct answer is B. Being careful of greasy and wet areas on the truck. Question 195. When backing up the prime mover under the semi-trailer skid plate, which gear must be used? Option A. The lowest possible reverse gear. Option B. The second lowest possible reverse gear. Option C. Any of the reverse gear is possible. The correct answer is A. The lowest possible reverse gear. Question 196. When uncoupling the trailer, find a surface that is able to support the trailer and, option A. The bases of the landing gear. Option B. The surface may be on inclined position. Option C. Perform the uncoupling quickly. The correct answer is A. The bases of the landing gear. Question 197. To complete the uncoupling procedure, when do you release the parking brake and pull clear of the trailer? Option A. Before inspecting the semi-trailer support and ensuring the ground is stable. Option B. After inspecting the semi-trailer support and ensuring the ground is stable. Option C. At any time during the uncoupling procedure. The correct answer is B. After inspecting the semi-trailer support and ensuring the ground is stable. Question 198. When uncoupling and you are not so sure the surface will support the trailer, it is best to, Option A, carry on with the procedure as usual. Option B, use the parking brakes and it will be fine. Option C, use baseboards to support the base of the landing gears. The correct answer is C, use baseboards to support the base of the landing gears. Question 199. When uncoupling semi-trailer, secure the vehicle by applying the parking brakes and, Option A. If necessary, chock all the wheels of the semi-trailer. Option B. If necessary, chock the wheels of the prime mover. Option C, check if possible to chock the wheels. The correct answer is A. If necessary, chock all the wheels of the semi-trailer. Question 200. When coupling or uncoupling a semi-trailer, make sure to follow the steps and, Option A. Do the quickest possible procedure. Option B. Do not take shortcuts. Option C, ensure to complete the process on time. The correct answer is B. Do not take shortcuts. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your test.